Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and thanks for watching our videos. Moghalu declares intention to run for president again. Kingsley Moghalu, a former deputy governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN), has declared his intention to contest for president in 2023. According to him, his decision is driven by concern for suffering Nigerians who seek an alternative to the status quo. Moghalu contested the presidential candidate of the Young Progressive Party (YPP) in 2019 and lost to incumbent President Muhammadu Buhari. Moghalu finished 14th on the election log with just 26,039 to Buhari's 15.1 million votes. 2 years after the election, Moghalu said he will recontest the presidential elections. If elected, I will run a government with a dream team of highly competent Nigerians from all parts of our country, along with strengthening independent institutions. We will deliver results on a 4-point agenda in 4 years, 4 by 4. Moghalu said in a statement. The former CBN deputy governor listed his agenda as security for all Nigerians and Nigeria's territory, war against poverty, skills, job for our youth, and an innovation economy, accelerated education and healthcare reform, good governance, inclusive, transparent, effective, and accountable. Moghalu did not disclose the political party on whose platform he will contest the election, but said he seeks the support of all compatriots, of everyone who is tired of our present national situations. We also need the energy and support of our youth, the middle class, entrepreneurs, and all compatriots in the diaspora. And it was also reported that in the previous years that Kingsley Moghalu has revealed why vocational and technical skills are more important in economic value in the labor market, in which was verified on his Twitter handle, in which he narrated how a skilled plumber who came to fix his broken toilet lived a better lifestyle due to the cost of his service rendered. And according to him, everyone wants to be a banker and lawyer, neglecting vocational skills, which pays more. And he wrote on his Twitter handle saying that one day while working for the UN in Switzerland years ago, I called a plumber to fix a broken toilet at home. He arrived, knocked on the door. I opened, parked my driveway was a BMW. Is that your car? I asked. Oh, he replied. Is this a plumber? I wondered silently. When he finished and gave me the bill, I gasped. The link between his labor cost and the life he could afford became clear. The cost of labor is high in advanced countries because vocational skills pays. In Africa, everyone wants to be a lawyer, a doctor, a banker. We need to fix our educational system to focus more on vocational and technical skills that can have good economic value in the labor market. Until we do, our universities will remain pipelines into the long lines of the unemployment. Alright guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so as to always get the latest news here from our YouTube channel, and also give us thumbs up showing that you really love this video. In another news, it was reported that Governor of Rivers State Nyesom Wike has said he will resist any attempt by politicians from Abuja to impose anybody to replace him. Wike stated this while speaking at a special Thanksgiving church service on Sunday. The service was to mark the second anniversary of his administration's second tenure at St. Paul Cathedral, Daobo, Port Harcourt, the state capital. In a statement by his special assistant on media, Kelvin Ebiri, the governor said, "Let me say it again, I have never sat with anybody to say I will make you governor. But as a governor, nobody from anywhere, be it in the party in Abuja, will impose who will be the candidate of PDP in Rivers State. Nobody can impose a candidate here, in this state. So if you are running to Abuja, you are wasting your time, said the governor of Rivers State. Okay guys, here we've got a lot of interesting news for you today, as we will that you would watch all those videos. And thank you so much, we love you so much. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks so much for watching our videos. We love you. Stay tuned and bye for now.